I want to welcome you to Carle House, home of extraordinary, memorable events. My name is Dee Dee Webb, and I'm the owner of Carle House. I'd be delighted to have you come share our historic antebellum-style home, visit our beautiful, beautiful, colorful gardens, and to have you meet my wonderful team. We all are about service, attention to detail, and most of all, making sure that we help you achieve the vision that you have for your very, very special day. Now, Carle House is northeast of Atlanta. It's near Chateau-Elan and on the way to Athens, about 50 minutes from the city, but absolutely a world away. I also look forward to introducing you to our entire wedding team at perhaps an upcoming bridal event held at Carle House, and I invite you to visit carlehouse.com, our website. We have lots of gorgeous, gorgeous photos. If you'd like to, you can visit our fan page, Carle House Fans, on Facebook, and like us if you'd like. And also, I'd be delighted if you could join us at one of our upcoming wine dinners. I'd love for you to meet our executive chef, taste his extraordinary cuisine, and experience firsthand our hospitality. But most of all, and this is from my heart, I am so happy for you with your engagement, and we would be delighted to share in your special day.